If you're writing offers and they're not getting accepted, it's probably not the price. Buyers think the only way to win an offer is to write a higher purchase price. That's not true, especially in today's market. I'm Heather Upton with the Real Estate Pros, and our team helps buyers all across Central Indiana find the home, win the deal without overpaying. I'm going to break down exactly what you can do to help your offer stand out. And here's what has changed. We are no longer in the market where you just throw anything against the wall and see what sticks. Buyers have more options. Sellers still want strong offers, and strategy matters so much. So if your offer isn't getting accepted, you are missing key pieces somewhere, and it's not just the price. Price is important, but it's not everything. Let's start. Yes, price matters, but it's not the only thing the sellers care about. The sellers are asking, is this deal actually going to close? So your goal isn't the highest number, it's the strongest overall package. There are 5 ways you can help your offer stand out. Number 1, strong earnest money. A strong earnest money deposit makes your offer stand out and gives the seller confidence that you can and will buy this house. Number 2, clean terms. Sellers love simplicity. This means fewer contingencies, cleaner terms, and few or no complications. Number 3, a flexible closing timeline. This is huge and most buyers miss it. Ask what the seller needs. Do they need a quick close? Do they need extra time after closing to stay in the house and get moved? Meeting their timeline can beat out another offer. 4, buyer's agent compensation. This is where things have changed. Buyer agent commission is now negotiated as part of the offer. So how you structure this does matter. A well-structured offer can protect you and make your offer more appealing. Number 5, confidence and clarity. Confusing offers don't win. Clean, clear, and well-written offers stand out the most. Sellers want to feel that the buyer is solid. And here's what I see buyers doing wrong. They come in low because, hey, let's just see what happens. They overcomplicate the offer. Asking for too many things becomes confusing, overwhelming to a seller. They ignore what the seller actually wants. And they are relying only on their offer price and not the other terms of the offer. And this is how you can lose when you are so close. Here we are seeing homes sell fast with multiple offers when they are priced right. Good homes still get strong offers, and the best structured offer wins, not just the highest one. If you want your offer to stand out, stop thinking like a buyer and think like the homeowner. What would the homeowner want? Do they want certainty, simplicity, and confidence that the deal is going to close? Of course, that's how you win. If you're tired of writing offers and you're not winning, it's not random, it's strategy. Reach out. We'd love to help you win your next home.